Well, hello everybody. Look at what we're working on today. Me and my old cousin Dougie. There's cousin Dougie. This, my friends, you'll recognize the dual quad setup and of course the big elephant valve covers. This is our 1971 426 Hemi. That's the numbers matching engine out of Wendell's 1971 Cuda. We call it the Phoenix Cuda, the car that was burned to the ground last season. We have the engine and transmission done, rebuilt, all of the detail components back on it. Scott Smith did our carburetors up at Harms. Lots of good stuff on here. We're getting ready to do a fire up, aren't we, Dougie?
Yes, we are.
Are you excited to do a fire up?
Uh-huh.
How many of you heard a 426 Hemi run before on an engine stand? Not very often. There it is. We've got a set of old pipes on it. Dougie, give me the ignition and push the button. Listen to that. Oh my, that sounds good. 425 horsepower, 426 Hemi. Oh my. This is an original Dana car, 410 Dana. We did our initial fire up this morning. How did it run?
Ran beautiful.
And still does.
Yes, it
Which
does.
is even a miracle. And no oil leaks, no drip. Got the original fuel pump on there. Original distributor. Carburetors, of course. Give me a little juice, Dougie.
What kind of juice do you want?
Just a little juice.
Just a little juice.
Little juice.
Okay.
Folks, we are getting close. Be sure to watch this season. Starting March 16th, our Phoenix Cuda comes back to life.